Okay, second game for tonight po tayo sa ating DFL 40s Classic or Titos and Titos Sigmutan yun. Victor of course, Team Black po yan. Yan po ang Boleros, Black-Gray combination. And of course, Blue and White naman po. Yan po usual po natin. Yan po. Ayan ha, Airport United versus Boleros. Same game po tayo. Live po tayo sa Cambridge Al Hilal in Doha. Okay, what to start right now? First quarter. First quarter on the way po ngayon between Boleros and of course ano po natin yan ang Team Airport United. Okay, ang Airport United din po nagpaparada po ng mga additional players din po, the likes of Bertos and of course Yorme. Same time po meron po silang matangkad si number 9, of course si number 41 din po ang Airport United. Yan po yung mga bagong players po, new edition. If you're wondering, nasa po yung usual po si ano yata, si Salud po yata is nasa ano, naka-duty yata at saka may ininda to pong may inindang tuhod po sa Salud. Of course, nandyan din po, usual din po. Siyempre, nandyan si Utred. Of course, nandyan si yung sa Boleros din, usual din po yan. Yan si Utred, nandyan na si Paddy. And of course, yung ibang ano po yan po, ng tropa po ng Boleros. First quarter. Okay, first quarter on the way now. Lem Anacleto is watching. Next game po tayo is PC21 Boys and In Flights. Okay, first possession, Airport United. Number 9, lost the ball. 0-0, no good. Number 4 na nag-rebound. Yorme binababa ang bola. Yorme pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by the gray shirts. Yorme, yan po yung stalwart po na po ng 50s league naman ni Mr. Jamal along with Bertos. Uy, sayang, butik na. First foul called. Jersey number 4, Eric Grama called for a foul. Number 24, Boleros shooting for 2. It's out. It's in. Good. It's in by JP. Second shot, number 24, JP. Pops up. It's in. 2-0. 2 points being enjoyed na by Boleros. Yorme. Bertos. Oy! Foul called, holding foul. Okay, usual. Okay, Boleros again, naka-possession. Bertos, binabantayan si JP. Bertos, binabacks out. Nandun si number 41. 41, 43. Bang! Okay, lamang na po ang Team Airport United. Full thread. $55. Pops up, no good. Rebound, won by the gray shirts. Same ball. Boleros. Utred. Pops up for 3. Bang! 3 points kagad. 3 points. Number 9. 5-3. Labid. Eric. Number 9. Turn around. Ginolens. Wala. Rebound by JP. Utred na naman. Utred. Lando sa likod si Yorme. And nice try. Nice steal by Yorme. Then to Labid again. Labid. Ginabas pa kay Yorme. Grama for 3. Tapos. Again, gray shirts. Ayan si Yorme. Utred. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 41. Yorme. 2 points. Yorme 2 points. Yan po ang stalwart po ng Jamal Basketballers 50s League. Si Yorme. Alto Mama Brothers po yan. And now Utred. Pinasa. Pops up. Kapos. Malakas. Reggie, binababa mo ng bola. Reggie. Bertos, number 9. Number 9, driving strong. No good. One more time. Labid, 2 points. Okay, 5-6, 5-7. Lamang na naman ng Effort United. Utred. Again. Nice try. Nice guard by number 9. Cabral. Ayan si Bertos, oh. And si Labid. Amir Panstip is watching. Max Pincount is watching. Bertos. Muntik na. Labid. Utred. Pops up. Oy, teka lang. Offensive foul call. Kitang-kita yung boss. 5:28 remaining. Second down na please. Cabral, Labid. No good. Rebound by JP. Utred. JP again. JP. Malakas. No good. Good ball. Reyes. Grama. Bertos. Foul. Okay. Change 5. Change 5 po tayo at 4:57 remaining. Laman po ang Effort United. By 2 points. 5-7 po ang laman po nila. Takin. Takin po. Eric Grama, 3 points. Grama, long to lang pala, sorry. Di pala 3 points, long to lang daw. Utred. Nice pass. Utred rin. Pinasa kay Pasi. No good. Eric Grama naka-rebound. Nice hustle play. Pasi. At tumaba ng konti si Pasi. At tumaba ng konti. Paligid. Taglong hair lang. No good. Nako! Eric Grama, hindi na makatakbo. Balik muli po tayo sa ating laro ngayon. Si Pasi to number 29. Barks to pass again. Pasi, pinasa kay number 0. Utred. Forbes. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 4 to Cab. Nice, sayang. Hindi na ano. Pasi. Forbes. Oy! Traveling violation, boss. Traveling violation calls. Ito na yung mga ano. Nandiyan po sa salud. Salud. Salud eh. Salud. Hindi ah. Sino? Forbes. Libid. 2 points. Nothing but net. 8-point advantage sa binenjoyed na by team. Alam mo po natin yan. Pops ang no good. Nandun pala. May nagbabantay doon. Pasok ang bola. 2 points. That's number 29. 2 points po para sa team. Hoy! Out of bounds. Ramos. Doon. No good. Cabral. Grama 2 points. Oh, doon yata kayo, doon kayo. 7:15 remaining. Utred. 3 points. 3 points by Utred. 9, 10, 15. Naman po ng 5. Ang team Airport United. Irving. Grama again. Grama. Number 11. Number 9. Cabral. Malalim. Utred and Benji pops up. No good. Rebound battle by number 9. Grama. Number 11. No good. Grama. Wala pa rin. Forbes. Pasi. Wala. Sayang rebound. Hindi nakuha. No good. Pops up. 2 points. 0, 2 points. Number 0, 2 points. Irving. Nandun ang Boleros. 20 seconds remaining. Pasi again. Pasi. Number 9. Benji. Forbes. 2 points ang galing. Rama. Okay, wala na. Okay, second quarter. Coming up po tayo. The score is 14-15. Po tayo. Okay, second quarter start right now. Boleros na po, Boleros. Okay, second quarter, si Yorme, si William, si...
Papasok ko ba yung Bertos?
Pasok pa yun. Pinasok na.
Yun! Alis na
Pinasok na.
Okay,
Okay, Reggie Bertos, impounding.
Bes! Sabi ko tumingin ng isa bago umuwi.
Dali.
Patirahan mo lang siya.
Number 0. Okay, number 5, Ayin. 25. Pasi for 3. Tapos. Francis. Foul called. Okay, number 17 shooting on the line. That's Ramos, number 17. Okay, yan po ang rebounder. Ramos, 17, pops up. It's in. Second shot, Ramos, jumper's ready. 14-16 na score po natin. Ramos, second shot, jumper's ready po tayo. No good. Number 55. Ayin. JP. Idol, ingat pa. JP, turn around. Difficult shot. No good. Idol, ingat. Idol. Okay, number 24, JP shooting for 2. 9 minutes remaining po tayo sa ating laro ito. Second shot, it's out. Rebound battle won by Boleros. Boleros, wala, nando si Muñoz. Francis. Ramos, 2 points Ramos. Pasi. Pops up, kapos. Rebound by Ramos. Ramos. Bertos. Bertos. Nako, step on the line, Corpus. Corpus stepping on the line. Pasi. Pasi Herb. Pasi again. Pasi. Nandun. Pops up. Pasi. No good. Rebound Ramos. Ay, sorry. Rebound Ramos. Again now si Mr. Muñoz. Muñoz. Nandun yung kaso. Nanakawan. Number 0. 2 points sa number 0. Okay, time out tayo yun. Hindi nagugustuhan ni Eric Rama nangyari sa kanyang team. Time out po tayo. Okay, time out po tayo. You're watching na Boleros and Airport United second game na po tayo yun. Followed by, of course, last but not in flights ng defending champion versus PC21 boys. Pero dyan muna po tayo. Ito po ang, of course, ano po yan? Ang Dofren League 40th edition. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game tayo. Back to the ball game. Idol, sir. Paano lang ano sa yung 664492 kay CBC?
Kaninong ano to? Number?
Akin.
Sa'yo din?
Second number. Para ano, mabilis sa'yo. Okay, si Mayor Yorme. Pinasa kay Ben, Dandos Masi. Foul! Bertos called for a foul. Ageless. Yun ang masasabi dyan. Walang kupas. Okay. Balik po tayo yun. Bertos. Foul po si Bertos. Pasi, shooting for 2. 16-18 po score po natin. At 8:07 remaining. First shot. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Yorme, pinapaba ang bola. Yorme. Bertos driving. Pinasa kay Yorme. no foul po. Palpal! Stephen ang galing nga lang, sayang. Tapos. Okay, ayun ang uniform. Okay, back to the ball, uniform tayo. Back to the ball, game tayo. Ito na. Number 0, pass again, passy. Taking 3, pops up. Pasok ang bola. Passy, 3 points. Passy, 3 points lamang naman po ang airport ang Boleros. Bertos. Nice pass. Stepping. Ako, tumama. Bertos, assist pass master, ha? Bertos, assist muna daw siya, sinasabi niya yun. And Corpus to Reggie again, Reggie. Kay Yorme, pinasang bola ng Yorme! Bang! Pinawi ni Yorme bola. And now to number 55. And to number 29. Ito again, 77, Passy. Passy again, pops up, wala. Rebound battle bomb by JP. Palpal. Nando si Ramos. Nando si Passy naman. Passy intercepting the ball. Passy. No good. Rebound, Ramos. Francis for 3. No good. Rebound battle bomb by nawala bola. Passy again, Passy. Aying. Nice pass. Wala nga lang. JB, wala pa rin. Raymond Bertos. Ramos, scoop. Yorme, binaba mawala Yorme. Mutik na. And Yorme again to Francis. Mutik na, take 2. Okay, change unit po tayo ng change unit. Change unit po tayo. Umupo muna po ako para lang medyo komportable. Okay, Francis Munoz shooting for 2. Si Salud, nandyan na rin po yung kanyang big man. O yung pinaka-tori po ng Airport United, yung control tower po. Francis, no good. Benji. Bart. Forbes. Binabantayan ni Cabral. Benji driving, pops up, no good. Rebound battle won by the Airport United. Airport United. Bola po ng Airport United po tayo to Villaray. Binababa ang bola. And now to Cabral. Number 11. Salud, nandiyan si Salud, ha? Number 11, pops up. No good. Hoy! Number 9, take 2. Airport United switching now to twin tower combination. 19-22 score po natin. Laman po ng tatlo ang Airport United. Cabral first shot. It's out. Cabral, second row, jumpers ready po tayo. Cabral, second row, jumpers ready po tayo. Walang meron. Meron, pasok. Number 0. Benji. Uy! Number 2. Cabral, 2 points Cabral, finishing. Cabral, 2 points. 1925 at 6-point advantage again now being enjoyed by Airport United. Next time. Next time. Binato. Naando si Benji. Nice swipe away. Nice one. 2 points. Veteran move. Timeout ko by Team Boleros. Tag-timeout muna po. Okay, mukhang Gusieted Veren pa yata isang player nila. Kaya, pinapakita yung pataka. Okay, ito may pataka. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo yun. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo ngayon. Back to the ball game. The score is 19-27, 2:59 remaining sa ating second quarter action. JP, Benji, binaba pa bola, Benji. Number 13, Benji. 55, Benji again, Benji. Benji, number 0 versus number 0 din. Forbes, wala na, out of bounds. Shot clock violation na raw, sabi doon ng referee, bago ang foul. 19-27, score po natin si Salud. Number 9, Villaray, to Salud again, Salud. For 3, no good. Muntik na, and JP Utred. Benji for 3, wala. Rebound ng 11. Salud, bumababa na rin. Number 11. Hoy! Pakisan lang. Barnes called for the foul. Boleros, 1 of penalty. Salud, and 2. Number 2. Nice pass kay number 9. Number 9. No good. One more time. To Salud. Salud. No good. In and out. Barnes, number 29. Benji. Sparks. Is number 11. Jolens. Wala. Palpal. And out of bounds again. Shot violation again. Airport United switching its on twin tower combination po yata ang ginagawa nila. West Bay combination po ginagawa ng Airport United pala ginagawa nila. West Bay combination, puro si mga tower ginagawa ng Airport United. Number 0. Pops up, the lefty. No good. 51 seconds remaining. Hoy, may foul. Who's foul red? Okay, nag-time out po. Boleros ang time out muna po. Boleros go for the time out. The Raptors po is this. Defending champion in flights of defense to start its crown. To defend the crown against PC 21 Boys. Kami na. Bigyan mo na. Kaya sa rin yan.
Uwi na.
Uwi ka na.
Wala namang dito. Walang mahigmat dito. Wala bang ano rin? Malapit na baka.
Nandun. Lalakad ka.
Ano nabila?
Teka na. No good. Cabral. Pinani bola. Pilaray. Pops up for 3. Wala. Nice rebound. 26. Bards sa Paddy. JP pops up to 0-0. Wala rin. Binato bola. Ayun. Number 11. Naku, sayang. Benji. 2 points. Stoy. Scott. Gatorade. Bibilang Gatorade. Okay, halftime po tayo. Magbabalik po kami. Give us 5 minutes po.
Hindi, yung referee, hindi naman.
Okay, nasa po. Okay, mukhang hindi, pares natin silang sapat lang. Okay, back to the ball muli po tayo. The score is 21-27, third quarter action po tayo. Third quarter action. Eric Grama for the inbound. Eric Grama inbounding. Third quarter action start right now. Dana. Okay. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound naman ang Boleros. Benji again. Benji. Pasi. Benji, no good. Pinato. Eric Grama. Nice floater shot sana. Isang na wala pa rin. Okay. Pasi muna. Passer go with the ball, pops up to number 55, no good. Rebound battle by Corpus, hindi, number 55. 55. Benji, pops up, no good. Again, back muli po sa Airport United ng bola. Number 41. Grama. Ramos, power move, walang foul. Pasi muli, Pasi. 2 points Pasi, Jolens. Labid, 2 points, 3 points. Labid, 3 points. 29, 23, 30, 7:57 remaining. Utrecht, number 13. Power move. No good. Rebound by Labid. Labid on the run. Labid. Wala. Ramos, easy 2. Ramos, easy 2. Okay, good. 7:37 remaining. 23-32. Laman po na Siyam, Pasi. 55, Pasi again, Pasi. Against Labid, being hounded by Labid. Number 55, number 13, Benji, driving show. Nice pass, ang galing. Nice dish of pass ni Benji para kay Mr. JP. Hindi lang na kompletong play. First shot is good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo para sa Team Boleros. Team Boleros, jumpers ready po tayo. It's in. Good. Balik muli po tayo. Ito na Eric Grama from Labid, Ramos, Corpus, nice pass kay Ramos, ilalim, malalim. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds shot clock, 4 seconds to shoot. Grama, Labid, deal sa pass, wala na, kaya. No good. Ramos ang rebound. SG. Labid again. Wala. Uy, sayang, muntik na. Ramos wala, Ramos uli. Same ball, sabi. Okay, overruled. Sabi ng referee, okay, nag-meeting muna sila. Meeting muna daw sila. Meeting. Okay, time out muna po. Time out. Sir Albert, wala pa. Puro pasa lang ginagawa ni Boss Bertos. Sabi dito, nakaskor na ba si Bertos? Wala pa po, sir. Puro assist lang ginagawa niya. Okay, back to the ball. Give me that 5:39 remaining. 25-32 po tayo yun. Still a 7-point advantage by Airport United. And sabi daw, Boleros sa pumbola. Bola daw po ng Boleros. Malinaw na bilikod nyo? Malinaw na? Mababasa na?
Alin?
Yung likod nyo, ang pilitin likod nyo? Malinaw na?
Bago na po, bago na ito sila.
Sige, bakbami yung patig nila naman eh.
Hindi, magpalit kami.
Sige. Sila pa rin? Yung may mga sinturang gumagano?
Ah,
Pati yung footballer na point guard?
wala na siya. Umuwi.
O nauwi? Bakit? Uy, sayang. Nagpurbot? O, pangkul?
Hindi ko alam kung lumipat pa ng company.
Teka lang.
Meron tayong technical foul na yung camera ng FTO. Hindi yung nagkaroon ng first and second quarter. Two shots tayo, late camera.
Late camera yung yung number 30. Okay, technical free throws po as per pag pala late camera daw po as per house rules, sila pa'y gagawa po ng technical shots. Okay, pag pala late camera. Okay, si Jomran, late camera po siya, kaya meron pong technical free throw po ang Boleros. JP. Pasok. Isa pa daw. Yung nyo. Si Saltiga, nandiyan pa rin?
Salting
Yung yung gumagano, yung bumubsit sa inyo. Nandiyan pa rin?
Si Sakris.
Sakris, nandiyan din.
Sakris.
Yung Jomran, late camera daw kasi.
Pag newcomer, tapos pinaglarap niya ng third quarter.
Okay, balik muli po tayo. Again, Benji, binababa ang bola. Lemo, yung football. Nasa Oma na pala. Okay. Okay, yung footballer pala po daw pala is nasa Oma na. Stripped away. Good luck po sa kanyang trabaho sa Oman. John Rand. Yorme. Tapsa. Pasok ang bola kay Yorme. Yorme, pasok. 26-35, siya na naman kalabangan ng Team Airport United. Bukas na magsisimula na rin pala sa Oman yung bata nyo. Yung buhay, yung footballer. Sa Oman na pala sa bukas. Benji, foul! Forbes. Yeah. Cabral called for the foul. Third person na po siya. Benji. Pops up. No good. One more time. Benji against Yorme. Benji. No good. Rebound by Forbes. Palpal. Five seconds remaining. 5 seconds to shoot. out shot is good. Number 2. Yorme again. Yorme. Jomran. Nawala ang bola kay Jomran. Nice steal sana. Forbes. Nawala muli. Good ball. Jomran. Kick pass kay Villaray. Malakas. Foul. Holding foul called. Number 0, pinal si number 0. Lou Deber Tesoro is watching also. Sabi daw po dito, yung footballer pala po ng airport ng Team Influence po, isa sa Oman na pala doon po bukas. Good na po sa kanyang trabaho po sa Oman. Okay. First shot is good. Second shot, jumpers ready. Basket made. Yorme against Benji. Yorme hounding Benji. Nice pass, 2 points. Earl the Pearl, 2 points. Cabral. Nice one. Cabral again, walang pinasan. A minute and 50 left. No good. Rebound Cabral. Yorme. Jomran. Villaray. Jomran, sayang. Okay. Yorme, 2 points.
50 seconds.
Pasi.
14 shot.
Motred. Ay. Sagan. No good. Uy, foul call. Depende. Cabral again called for a foul. Yorme nakahirang. Nice pass. Counter steal. No good. Rebound Jomran. Palit pinasahan. Pasi, palpal. Third quarter action. The score still stands at 30-39. Lamang pa rin po ang Airport United by 9 points. You're watching right now Airport United and of course Boleros. Pagkatapos po is this In-Flights versus PC21 Boys. Final game po natin po sa first game day po natin. Okay, back to the fourth and final quarter na po tayo yun. Fourth and final quarter start right now. Green ball. Green ball. Okay, number 0 for the inbound ng Boleros. Okay, Boleros inbounding. To Benji again. Benji. Benji. Benji again. Pasi. Nando si Lavilla. Nando si Labid. Labid. Naku, sayang. Nice shot. 11. Ramos, 2 points. JP, 9:30 remaining. Benji, passing for 3. No good. Nice, sasapin ni Ray sana. Nice stop. Reggie called for the foul. Reggie Bertos, foul on Reggie Bertos. Bertos, one of the legendary players po ng 50s dati. Ni Jamal, naglalaro po dito sa friendly po natin. Second shot, good ball. Laman po ng 11, 12 po ang Airport United. Salud, setting up a pay. Labit, pinilit, Reggie, Labit again, Labit, Reggie, ninak ang bola. Pasi. Okay, kumuha ng race back. Pasi. Palpal. Foul. Foul on Utrecht. Benji per third person na po tayo. Third person po ni Benji. Okay, rebound. Inbound po si Berto, si Big B. And, uy! Lupik yun. Number 11. Labig! Hindi na pasa. Saan itas ng bola to? Sabi doon niya. Itas mo to. Saan yung bola? 77. Pops up, kapos. Passing still. Benji can control. Pops up. No good. Rebound Bertos. Number 0. 2.0. Number 0, 2 points. Salud. Ay, stepping on the line. Stepping on the line, called on Ramos. Balik muli po tayo ngayon. Ito si Benji. Mercado, kamusta po kayo? Benji, again, to Pasi. 6:36 remaining. No good. Rebound by Irving. Irving. Nice pass. Sige po, pwede tumapok kayo sa harapan. Sige po. Wala problema. Nice pass from Irving to Labit. The Labit to Irving combination. Nando si Labit na naman. Labit. Nako! Masyadong malalim si Labid. Okay. And one play sana. Nice one. Okay, substitution ng Bertos to para kay Cabral. Okay, serving para kay Yorme. Ramos for 2, shooting for 2 po. Shooting for 2 po si Ramos. Maraming salamat po. Ramos, second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Etienne. Lamang muli po ng labisa ang Airport United over Boleros. Eric Yorme, mag-isa. No good. Palpal. Nice rebound. Labid again. Labid. 2 points again, Labid. Labid, 2 points. Labing it by Labid. Yorme. Labid again by Forbes. Ginolens. Palpal. Ba't F1? Ba't may F1 ka?
Ito yung t-shirt, ano yung uniform namin. Tagawan lang namin.
Pinagawa lang.
Ito yung Airways na F1 eh. Pero plano kami ganito. F1 na...
Sponsor pala kayo. Kalimutan ko.
Wala sponsor dito kami lang tayo na
Sponsor pala kayo din. Sponsor ng ng Qatar Airways pa ng F1. Yorme, 2 points Yorme. Yan ang 2 points Yorme. And a timeout called na by Team Boleros. Okay, coming up next po, final game po for ating first game day po natin between In-Flights and PC21 Boys.
Yes, yes!
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Uy! Foul called. Passing. Malakas. Cabral. Cabral, binababa ang bola. Cabral. Yorme again for 3. Thinking 3 si Yorme. Bang! JP. Yorme naman, Yorme. SG pops up. 2 points. Benji. 3 points naman si Benji. Bawi. Yorme ng 29. Eric. Jomran. Eric. Yorme for 3. No good. Down to si Cabral. 2 points. Nice pass kay Cabral. JP. 3 points. 3 points. Okay, nag-time out muna po ang Airport United. Mukha yatang may konting Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Airport United ball. 2:53 remaining. Final quarter po tayo. Eric pops up. 2 points, Eric. Passing. Three points. Labing-anim. 2:18 remaining. Eric for 3. No, long 2. Tapos. Same ball. Sana. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Okay. David, alabas muna po para kay number 2 kay Villaroy. And to Jomran, to Villaroy again. Villaroy. Ginababa ang bola. SG. Wala, no foul. Tapos. Two points, JP. Benji. No good. 5-5. Jomran. Okay, safety passing na tayo. Villaroy. Pops up. 2 points. 45-61. Lang po ng 16 ulit po ang Airport United. Okay, safety passing na lang po tayo. Tansya ko. Okay, first shot good. Okay, they consider ready. Congratulations, and final score po is 46-61. Panalo po ang Airport United. Final score 46-61. Maraming salamat po. Sabi po tayo sa next game po natin between In-Flights and PC21 Boys.